YouTube is the most used platform in the world and it's eating your time alive. YouTube can be extremely useful, but it also can waste so much of your time. It all depends on how you use it. YouTube's whole game is keeping you on the screen as long as possible. It doesn't care about your time, which is literally the most valuable thing you have. The people who make the best videos get the most views. That's why they work super hard to create videos that are so hard to resist. What should we do then? We can't just delete YouTube. Well, there's a saying that goes, the risk of you smoking a cigarette is much higher if you have a cigarette in your home. Let me show you what I mean. This is my YouTube. Let's say I'm working and I need to quickly look up something on YouTube. There is no sidebar, no comments, no Mr. Beast video with a crazy thumbnail. Basically, my YouTube is extremely boring. And that's exactly what you need to minimize the distractions. This is a browser extension called DF YouTube. With this plugin, you can disable the comments, the feed, the sidebar, and much more. And if you want to have some fun, you can just deactivate it. Basically, we need to save ourselves from ourselves. It's kind of funny that we create YouTube, which is great and it solves many problems, but it also creates new problems. So we need to invent fixes like DF YouTube to fix those problems. It's like a never-ending loop. So please use your time wisely, because when time's gone, it's gone forever. If you liked the video, please subscribe and leave a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.